Oh hey, we'll get to that mess in a second. This is MP Slot Car. Welcome back to another video. Do you ever get home from work and you see a package waiting at the door and you get that warm, tingly feeling inside? Almost like Christmas morning, right? Only better because you know it's slot car related. So I got this box here. What are we waiting for? Let's get into it. So to kick off this unboxing, we got a box. What's in the box? We'll find out in a second. This box came from my buddy Brad over at Car Mancave. Here's his beautiful looking card here. If you haven't checked them out already, be sure to do so. I'll put a link in the description of his website. He's an awesome gentleman to deal with. Not the first time I order from him, it won't be the last. So what's in the box, right? That's what you all came here for. It's a Scalextric. I used to have Scalextric growing up. I've since sold it a long time ago and recently got into the Carrera, as you all know. So this is the first Scalextric car I've bought in a long time. And it's the Tyrrell of Jackie Stewart, 1970 Canadian Grand Prix. It looks gorgeous, I have to say. This is the first entry I believe Tyrrell had in Formula One in 1970, where the Canadian Grand Prix, where he took pole position, Jackie Stewart, but unfortunately DNF'd from the race with a broken axle. So this car is modeled exactly to what we would have seen at the Canadian Grand Prix that year. And I believe he went on to win the championship in 1971 with pretty much the same car. So we'll get a proper unboxing of this, but I have to say it looks gorgeous. I want to see what else we got first. Brad was nice enough to send me some more of those stands I reviewed in another video. Slot car stands, nice touch. And also some slot invasion guides to try out. Very cool. Now this is what I'm excited for. This is what I've been waiting for. It's probably one of the most iconic seasons in Formula One for those of you who are Formula One fans. 1976. This is the movie Rush, for those of you who have seen that. There's an epic battle between Niki Lauda and James Hunt. And this set is a triple pack from Scalextric, 1976 British Grand Prix, right? Yes, British Grand Prix. It's a limited item, so I'm probably not going to run these cars, but we will open it up and take a look at them. And we're going to do that right now. Oh, here it is, unwrapped. The 1976 British Grand Prix Legends. Limited to 1,500 pieces. Here's the box. And wow, looks amazing. Some nice art in the back. Some information of the Grand Prix there. And these cars look phenomenal, I have to say. This one's number 1172 of 1500. Not sure if you can catch that. Very cool. These cars are very detailed. Look at that, works of art. Up to the windscreen on James Hunt car being yellow as well. The 6-reel Tyrrell, just, that's iconic beauty. And the Ferrari, it's a Ferrari, so beautiful. Let's see what else we get in here, if anything. Being very careful here to remove these. Right. Got some spare brushes here. Not bad. Although, like I said, I'm never going to run these cars. I highly doubt I will. So let's remove these from the base and take a better look at them. Let's take a look. We'll start with the 6-wheel Tyrrell. Just such a cool car. Look at that. The detailing, spot on from Scalextric. That engine modeling there. Beautiful. Okay. Go on to the Ferrari of Niki Lauda. Beautiful. Detailing on the brakes here in the front. The air ducts, gold, the rims, the detailing. Just flawless. Now we'll go on to the champion of 1976, James Hunt. Like I mentioned before, did the yellow windscreen. Just beautiful. Look at that. I'm not sure if you can make it out on camera there, but back here you can see even like the shocks, there's the springs. It's hard to make out. Of course, it's not going to focus. But yeah, just amazing detailing on this thing. Awesome. So myself being a massive Formula One fan and a slot car collector, I think this was a must for me. And I suggest if you could find a set, pick it up. I think this is going to be a nice item to have in anyone's collection. So I highly recommend picking these up. They're very nicely detailed. Whether or not you choose to run them, that's up to you. I mean, the kid in me wants to put these on the track very bad, but I'm going to try my best not to. Not promising anything, but I'm going to try to keep these in the box. One that I'm not keeping in the box is this Tyrrell over here. So let's open this one up and take a better look at it. Okay, I've already unscrewed it so it's free from its base. Let's take it out. They do supply you with some extra brushes there. And voila, here it is, the 1970 Tyrrell of Sir Jackie Stewart. Look at that. Just look at that engine detailing. Phenomenal. It's just a gorgeous car. Got the Ford branding. Even down to like the screws or rivets over here. I'm not sure if you can pick it up on camera. Just a nice line of rivets. Beautiful, very detailed. So as I mentioned, I am planning on running this car on my Carrera track, meaning I have to chip it. So I'm chipping it, meaning this car may never run. I've never chipped one of these before, so hopefully it goes well. I'm sure it will, right? No, it should be fun. I've never done anything like that before, so we'll see how it goes. So that's it for the unboxing today. We'll take a quick look at my layout and then we'll end the video there. Let's go take a look. Okay, over at the table now. What's changed since the last video? Well, the track itself is on the table. This is the layout I went with. And as you can quickly see, it is an evolution of my previous layout. Longer straights. There's a kink over here now. The hairpin used to be here and now it's over there. And a different infield here, an S over here. Up the hill, another kink, and then over here. I believe that's what it's called, right? That sh. So yeah, it's coming along. Polystyrene starting to go down. These are going to be filled with joint compound, so it'll be a nice smooth surface before I do the static grass. So I come back and trim this and sand it. Something like over there. That's still rough as well though. A lot of work to do, but I mean, a week ago I only had a table frame, so it's coming along nicely. So that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and quick update on my table here. Got a lot more work to do, have a lot more unboxings to do, so stay tuned. If you liked this video, maybe smash that like button. If you didn't like this video, maybe smash that like button anyways. I want to thank you for joining me. This is MP Slot Car. I'm Massimo. Until the next video, remember to stay humble, keep enjoying that hobby, stay safe out there, and I'll catch you very soon. I mean, maybe just a few laps.